Hello people, so this is my 20th video of the day, and I have to say this people that uh, in my previous two videos also I spoke about this whole thing about dating. People, the most important thing I think that anyone should keep in mind is that you have to be careful about this whole passive aggressive approach that many guys have, and in fact I'm sure there might be girls also out there with that approach. Like, in terms of, there are some people that they will decide when to meet, what time, where. It's fine, yeah, I mean, as a woman also I would obviously pick a time and date or whatever that suits me, but no, yeah. And सबसे ज़्यादा you just be careful about these people who tend to be forceful, you know. No, you have to meet us, no, this is, you know, like you would have no interest to really go get ready, get dressed and go to there, but this person, whoever, you know, you are about to meet or something, they kind of they are holding the reins of the thing. So these are very subtle red flags, and it's not even red flags, right? I mean, you know, sometimes nobody likes to be forced into anything, and if the very first meeting itself is like, no, it's we have to meet, you should meet, it's like kya zabardasti hai types, you know. So no, all this, it's this kind of gyan is occurring to me only now, yeah. As uh, when I was in my early 20s and all, I was pretty naive. In fact, I am even right now, but it's like I've understood a few things about the world, about the kind of people I want to associate with. So yeah, I think this is an invaluable tip if you're stepping out for a date. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.